Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to our brand new video. In today's video we're going to be going over how to actually get better at cover arts as a designer 2024. Let's get it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to find inspiration that actually sits with you, that you actually like and that you can actually recreate, and you can, make something nice out of it. Now you don't want to pick something like that's overused, kind of like the opium mistake. So you want to kind of find something that is nice and fresh and kind of new, but you can put your own twist on it, or even if you did do the opium kind of aesthetic, just put your own twist on it. Like a lot of people they kind of just like copy and paste. Don't copy and paste. So the next thing is going to be to actually just learn your software. So this is going to be learning your shortcuts, learning the effects, experimenting with the effects, going through all the blend modes in Photoshop and all the blurs, all the different filters. Just go through everything and kind of immerse yourself in the whole creation and the whole creative kind of process of Photoshop. Photoshop is so like it's just so good. Alright, so the next thing is to just surround yourself around better designers who are just gonna push you. Like if you're really bad, no offense, but if you're really bad, you need to be around better designers, because if you're really bad and you're really good in comparison to people who you talk to or you support online, you're gonna stay really bad. You're not really gonna progress or evolve. You're just gonna stay in that little box because you think you're good. Because you're better than these other designers. And the next thing is gonna be just to be consistent. If you are consistent with this, you are going to skyrocket in results, because if you are designing every single day, you are gonna see results no matter what. But there is also like kind of like a double-edged sword. Like if you're designing every day but you're making like the same shit, you're not really gonna see much growth. That is what is leading me on to my next point, which is to experiment, to grow. Always experiment, always try to get better, always try to do something new. I'm pretty sure like all my covers is something new, because like for me, if I'm making the same thing, I just can't bring myself to actually like post it, because I feel like the whole feed, everything that I've done so far is kind of like every cover is kind of different.